Don't worry, the Force will guide us.
The Force? Oh, no, no, no!
Quick, shoot!
Eso should have stayed in Otapunda!
We need this creature out of the way. Shoot it, Obi-Wan. There's always a bigger fish.
We're losing power.
Stay calm. We're not in trouble yet.
You're nonsense! Why do you thinking we's in trouble?
Power's back.
Full speed ahead.
Missa told you the planet core was back bombing!
Your constant optimism is really encouraging, Jar Jar. It's toying with us.
Yes, but we should still be able to harm it. I see our friend is hungry again.
No, wait!
This seems lovely.
We must find the queen. Victory! Stupid chair!
Shh.